Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a little try-on haul, if you will, maybe some cozy comfy outfits for Valentine's Day featuring Halara. I wanted to share with you guys some new things that I picked up and then another rebuy because if you don't know, Halara has literally every single colorway imaginable. So once you find a piece that you like, you can buy it in every single color, which we all know we love to do. So as always, I really like to drive home the fact that Halara is not just activewear, athleisure. It's literally comfort, whether it's comfortable while you're walking, working out, hanging out at the house, going out, whatever it is, it's comfort, working, anything. So I wanted to share with you some of the pieces that I picked up this month, and big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on this video, and they always have a coupon code for you. It is KellyF, which will save you 20% off of your order. So let's dive in, you guys. First, I have to start with like literally the showstopper. Okay, this reminds me of a very popular dress that I never purchased because of a couple things. First, the price was outrageous. Second of all, I didn't know what I was gonna do with the boobs, okay? Halara's got it covered. I swear they think of literally everything. Okay, so this is a full-length, floor-length, ribbed black Bodycon maxi dress, square neck, long sleeve, literally stunning dress. And it has built-in like shelf bra with pads that you can keep in or remove. I actually kept mine in. I love this. You honestly could wear a bra with this dress and get away with it because it's fully covered, top, bottom, whatever. But I love that you don't have to. This is so freaking flattering and comfortable. So like are you kidding? Boing. Like it's so freaking stretchy, flattering. Oh, everything about this, okay? I'm sure you know the dress that I'm thinking of, but the money is insane, and I don't know. I didn't know if it had like a built-in thing, but I'm here to tell you that Halara's does, and it is hands down the best thing ever, especially in this other style. I loved this style so much, I was like, I'm gonna try their tank top version, which I never do. I would never gravitate towards a like stringed top because I need a bra, and I don't like when my bra straps show, and I'm really not a huge strapless bra girl. I'll wear them, I'll wear nippies occasionally, I'll wear boob tape and all that, but sometimes you just want something that you don't have to think about all of that, especially as we're gearing up to get into the summer. I know I'm really jumping the gun on that, but you know what, I'm really just, it's summer in here right now, okay? And you don't want all that stuff. This, okay? Again, built-in cups. Like you can see built-in cups, built-in like little shelf bra, and they have, they're removable. Adjustable straps. This is backless. So again, even if you wanted to wear a strapless bra, you couldn't because it's got the back. I mean, you can wear those sticky things, but who wants to do that? This is literally everything, you guys. It's so stunning and flattering, and I love that it has a built-in bra because I would never wear it without a built-in bra. So I'm obsessed with this. I love that the straps are adjustable. It's got this scoop dip down back. Everything about this dress, the details of it, is everything. I actually love that neither one of these dresses have a slit. I just feel like it's like very mermaid, curvy. It's giving body, you know? I'm in love with these dresses. I'm pretty sure they have it in like a chocolate brown as well. So if you are on the market for just a very like classic, beautiful silhouette that I feel like just is stunning, check these out. I swear you will not be disappointed. And the weight on these, it's like a substantial weight in a good way, okay? I don't mean like it's heavy and thick. I mean, it's like got weight to it where it falls right and doesn't like, I don't know, it's everything. Okay, then I got 2 pairs of pants. I've never tried these specific trousers from Halara, but I've tried a ton of their trousers in the past. Mostly they're like waffle knit or ribbed ones, but none that are this athletic material, and I will say these are by far my favorite style that I've gotten. First of all, I love this like cool taupey brown. I think it's so cute. I paired it with just this little white, or just this little gray crew neck and a little over the shoulder moment, but these are truly an athletic feeling material, like sweat wicking, sort of like brushed, like stretch is nuts. These look like any normal trouser would. It just doesn't have the button and there's no zipper, which I love. It's such a seamless, beautiful look. And yeah, I can't say enough things about this. I love the pockets. The back pockets are just for show, but that's okay because I don't stick anything in my back dress pockets. Length is perfect. I think these are so cute. And honestly, I think these are my favorite trousers that they've ever made. I love the waffle ones, but I feel like those are a little bit more casual, whereas these look like an actual trouser but feel like leggings. They feel like flare leggings in trouser form. I don't know how the heck they do it. It's insane. Next pair I'm literally still wearing right now because I like don't want to take them off. They're so comfortable. I actually own these cargo pants in the navy color, and I got those ones in a small and I love them. They're kind of like low rise, but I decided to try a medium in these, and I would say go with the next size up if you're kind of like in between sizing. I'm like a 26-ish, 27 pant size, but I like that the medium fits a little bit higher waisted and I can kind of position them the way I want them to. These are so flattering. I love these. I never thought I would be like a cargo-y sort of girl. The different bungees on the side are giving me like the pants that used to be like capris and also shorts, but in the coolest way possible. I love them, and they're so stinking comfortable. These I wouldn't say are like super, super stretchy by any means, but they're just so like built where everything just fits. It's just nice, okay? And I think this is a fun way to kind of like have a fun pant on, but it not be like sweatpants or something. I love these. I'm not taking them off for the rest of the day. They're staying on me. That shows you how much I love them. So I now own them in the navy and in the green. And again, I prefer the medium just for the, I guess, fit a little bit more. I like a little bit baggier of a fit, but the ability to kind of get them a little more high-waisted, where I feel like my navy blue ones sit just a little bit more like mid-rise. With not much ability to take them high rise. So I would definitely recommend them I mean, you guys know me. If I get it in a second color, it means I truly love it. This next top though, you guys, I fell in love with. I have their dresses that look like this, that are like full length dresses. So when I saw this little top, I was like, yes, you are coming home with me. And I already knew I was gonna pair it with my white skirt that I got from them from Black Friday. I know like a lot of people are like, why are you shopping for dresses and skirts or in the winter? But it's like, it's because now is a great time to get them because they're always sold out when you want them. So don't wait. But I thought this combo, so cute. I'm like, should we join pickleball, tennis? I don't care. I could just go for a walk in this. It's so cute. I love the skirt. It has the shorts underneath it, you know. But I loved this top so much. So cute. It is a fully functioning little zipper. I would say this is more athleisure. I would not, if you're gonna wear it as non-athleisure, go ahead and put like a pretty compressive sports bra underneath it. You could do a white one. They've got a ton to choose from. But if I was just, it's tight enough on me. If I were to just wear it and then put a skirt on, I could go for like walks or do, I don't know, low impact things where I'm not running or anything like that. But that's it, you guys. That's everything that I picked up from Halara this month. Some really cute, cozy, casual pieces. Those dresses I know look stunning, but honestly, you could wear them around the house and be completely comfortable. And I know that sounds insane, but they literally feel like a dream. Like they're so comfortable, so stretchy, and they're the most flattering things I've put on my body in a long, long time. So again, a big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video. Don't forget to use code KellyF, which will save you 20% off at checkout. And I'm serious, if you pick up anything, those dresses, whether you are a long sleeve girl or tank top, pick which one. I think both are stunning. And these little cargo pants, and the trouser. Okay, everything is great. So whatever you're needing to add to your wardrobe for this spring, you cannot go wrong with Halara, because you know you are about to get the most comfortable pieces that you've ever put on your body. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.